little stuffed bamboo. It's actually a giant grass, and because it's got a hollow and woody stem, you can make things out of it. Cups out of the wider bamboos, water pipes, and things like flutes and whistles. But when it's being trimmed, which it often has to be, it needs to be cut like any grass, you can also make a whistle out of this shoot. You peel the leaves back, you'll find there's a hard central core there. Pull it out without damaging it and twisting it. Throw the rest away, and you'll find that it's really a series of leaves wrapped around each other. And if you unwrap them carefully, you'll find that you can take out the central core, keep that because it's useful, roll the leaf up again. It's now hollow and it's got vibrating edges when you blow through it, and it's a whistle. Well, that's one, and if you keep on going, you find you've really got a little nest of whistles in there, each leaf with its own peculiar note. Here's the next one. Take the core out, roll the leaf up, and